If you're an agency owner, a consultant, or anyone building and selling AI services to clients, you're in the right place. You see the $1 million opportunity. After partnering with over 73 AI businesses and helping them process over $300,000 in revenue, I can tell you the opportunity is very real. But a massive transition is happening. I know this because I've spent the last 22 months speaking with over 300 agency founders, and the consensus is clear. You can no longer sell a single chatbot or a simple make automation. To win now, you need to deliver an entire system that solves a core business problem. And building the system is exactly why I had to completely rethink the value we provide at Chatdash. It all starts with the biggest problem holding you back. It's what I call the Frankenstein stack. To deliver the complete AI assistance your clients want, you're forced to stitch together all these different platforms. You're using retail AI for the voice agents, Make for the backend logic and workflows, and Airtable or Looker Studio for the client dashboard. But beyond just juggling the tools, it's the specific frustrations within each tool that drain your time and energy. It's the complex agent tooling, workflow setup, the clunky client onboarding, the manual billing. This is why my vision for Chatdash is to be your all-in-one platform to launch and scale AI services by solving these frustrations at every step. Let me show you exactly what I mean in the wireframes, focusing on the 3 core problems that slow you down the most.
First, building the AI agent itself and making the agent reliably do things for your clients is a massive headache. We solve this in 2 parts. First, the prompt itself. So instead of guessing, you just type what you want in plain English. Let's say an intelligent appointment booking agent for a dental clinic, and our AI prompt generator instantly creates a best practice system prompt for you. But a great prompt is useless if the agent can't take action. Right now, you're forced to build complex workflows on external platforms like Make or Zapier for even the most basic tasks. So the second part of our solution is to bring those tools directly into Chatdash. We give you the most frequently used tools out of the box, such as Google Calendar, Booking, Call Transfer, Update CRM, sending email at the end of the call, or even creating a ticket in some other platforms. But giving an agent a tool is only half the battle. You still have to tell it how and when to use it. So instead of writing complex instructions, you just use our pre-built prompt snippets. If you need the agent to use that Google Calendar tool correctly, just click to add our booking protocol snippet. It instantly adds the best practice instructions to the system prompt, telling the agent exactly how to collect the right information before booking. We've done the hard work on both sides, the tools and the instructions. So the agent just works and you can finally get rid of those extra platform subscriptions. Second, let's talk about workflows. The problem here isn't just that you have to learn another platform. It's that messy, unprofessional onboarding, the chaotic back and forth of emails and asking for passwords. It feels terrible. And we flip that whole process around. You do all the setup before your client ever logs in. So first, in your own dashboard, you build a workflow. You can start with one of our proven pre-built templates like this, or just describe what you want. For example, after a call, update the contact in Go High Level or Salesforce and send a summary email. And our AI workflow builder just maps it out for you. Once it's ready, you just assign workflows to your client. And now their onboarding is just one simple step. They get an invite to their portal with your brand on it. And the only thing they have to do is to connect their apps with one click. So just like in the wireframe, if the workflow requires HubSpot and Slack credentials, they just need to add their connections using OAuth connection. And that's it. The second they connect, the whole system you built will be live. No more back and forth, no more asking for passwords. And third, the part that keeps your business running, reporting your value and getting paid for it. Let's start with getting paid. The problem for most of us is that our billing is a manual, clunky mess. You're wasting hours at the end of the month digging through spreadsheets to track usage and creating invoices by hand. In Chatdash, we automate all of that. You just connect your Stripe account one time, then for each client, you pick the model that makes sense. A monthly retainer, pure usage base, a mix of both. You set it once and it's done. It's all automated. But getting paid is only half the equation. You also have to constantly prove your value. Right now, your clients are mostly in the dark until you manually send them a report. That's why we built the client portal. It's a professional, white label dashboard where your clients can log in anytime and see the results for themselves. So in this dashboard, they can see all their core stories, listen to recordings, and check out a full analytics dashboard showing the agent's performance. And it's not just generic metrics. You can create custom metrics that matter to that specific client. So let's say if you're working with a dental clinic, they can see a big number that says appointments booked this month. And your client can even adjust knowledge base right inside the portal. With this, it completely changes the conversation. You're a strategic partner delivering visual, undeniable results. And you get to focus on strategy. The platform takes care of proving your value and making sure you get paid.
So that's the vision. To build it right and to make sure we're solving the problems that absolutely matter to you, I genuinely need your expertise. And my goal here is to learn from you. And I've put together a super short 3-minute survey to get your honest feedback on these ideas. The link is right below in the description. Please take a minute to click that link and share your thoughts. It'll honestly mean the world to me. There's no sales pitch, I promise. And at the end of the survey, there's an optional spot to let me know if you're open to a quick 15-minute call. I'd love to hear more about how you're running your agency and what your problems are. By sharing your experience, you will be directly shaping the tools that our entire industry will use. Thank you so much for your time and for helping me figure this out. See you.